It's officially the summer, which means to counter all the late-night dinners and stay in shape, it's a must to get moving. We know the struggle of motivating yourself to work out in the summers, but a little movement with some easy workouts will keep the carbs at bay. Whether you want to work on your stomach, legs, back or arms, we have you sorted with some easy exercises. Compiled from Healthy Living, you can choose a workout that works best for you and dedicate 1 hour of the day to your mental and physical health. 1. Swimming. Let's start with something a little more fun. As it is, summer is the time to spend at the beach or by the pool, so while you're at it, incorporate a 30-minute swimming routine. It is a form of cardio that works your entire body, from your legs, upper body and core to your triceps. Certain styles of swimming like dolphin kicks or flutter kicks help strengthen the core, and swimming is also extremely beneficial for the lungs. 2. Running. Another form of intense cardio, running is the best way to lose body fat. Summer evenings are the best time to make a run in the park. You can alternate between walking and jogging a 5-kilometer distance, or for a more high-intensity workout, you can alternate between a set routine of 1 minute of running and 30 seconds of walking. It's also a great way to maintain your daily 10,000 steps, and there's no better feeling than a runner's high. 3. Join a gym. If you want to take a different approach, an indoor gym workout would also suffice. Since it's the summer, you have a little more time to spend on yourself, so put it to good use and join a gym. Gyms offer a plethora of different exercises and exercise machines that focus on particular body parts, and so, you can customize a workout that works for you to achieve the body you desire. You can even include weight training or different styles of exercise like CrossFit to change things up from the usual treadmill and tone the body as well. 4. Pilates. For something more strength rather than cardio-focused, Pilates is a great alternative. It concentrates on strengthening the body's muscles, with emphasis on core strength. Since it is low impact, it's also great for building lean muscle or improving your posture. You can even choose between different types of Pilates, such as mat Pilates or contemporary Pilates, depending on what suits you. Pilates is a great way to tone your body, especially if you do it every day, so if you're looking for a quick way to tone before your vacation, Pilates is your best friend. 5. Take up a sport. The summer is also the time to spend with your friends, and what's more motivating than to work out with a friend? We highly suggest taking up a sport to integrate into your daily routine, such as football or tennis. Sports like football are a great way to stay active and move your body, and they also teach you several skills. With an added benefit, it's something you can do with your friends, which makes it a very fun activity as well.